Hello, welcome to this tutorial. This is Chani Thakkar here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide the sign-in page in Liferay. There are few scenarios to hide a sign-in page. The first one is when admin is logged in and he is signing the sign-in portal, and the another is when no user can do a sign-in. So I have my Eclipse running, and I have installed my Liferay in my Eclipse. I have started my Liferay into different browsers so that you can check easily how to work with it, because once you hide the sign-in page you will not be able to do anything else. So let's first do login with admin account. So test and sign in. Now I have done login with my admin account, and I'm using a fresh Liferay. So it is having a sign-in portlet by default on page, but in case you have removed the sign-in portlet, then first add it on your page. Say I'm removing this just to show you, and I'm going to add. Go to applications and search for sign in. So here is my sign-in portlet, and I'm going to add on my page. So in case you have removed the sign-in portlet, then you can once again add on your page. Now to hide the sign-in portlet, there are two ways. The first one is using permissions, and the second one is using CSS. So let's first check using permissions. So here you can see there is your sign-in portlet. Now I'm going to click on this options button, and there is option configuration, the second option. So just click on that. Now there is second tab permissions, so click here. Now you can see the guest user is given permission to view. So I'm just unchecking it, so that when the user has not done a login, so he will be a guest user, and I'm removing permission to view, and I'm just saving it. Now I have done sign in this particular browser with admin. So I'm going to check in my other browser. So here is my other browser, and I'm just going to refresh my Liferay. So now you can see in place of sign-in portlet there is a message: you don't have the roles required to access this portlet. And when you try to access the sign-in portlet from the URL, you will get the same error message. So now no user can do sign in. So I will recommend that you do this testing with two different browsers, because once you remove this permission, you will not be able to assign it again. So I'm again going to the browser in which I have done login with admin, and I'm assigning the view permission to the guest user once again, and save. So this was the way you can hide the sign-in page from guest user. You can just remove the permission, and that will not be visible to the guest user. Now there is one another way, that is that you can use CSS to hide your sign-in portlet. So what I'm going to do is just click on your options, and there is the first option, look and feel. So just click on look and feel. Now there is one tab for advanced styling, so just go on advanced styling, and there is option enter your custom CSS. Now there is a code that portlet login for which you want to apply CSS, and you want to display nothing, so you can write this code. So I'm just copying and paste in my custom CSS. Here you can see that portlet login is the name of your portlet, and I'm going to save it. Now I'm going to open my another browser. So you can see the error message has also gone, but at the same time you cannot see anything over here. I have not removed the sign-in portlet. Sign-in portlet is at its own position. You can see over here. I have not done refresh in this particular browser. I have just done refresh in this browser. So you can see sign-in portlet has been gone. It's actually not gone, but it is hidden because of CSS. Now you can see that this particular portlet is hidden from the user, even if the user has done login or not. Now in that scenario in which you want that user should user can see the sign in portlet, but once he has done a login, the sign in portlet should be invisible. In that case, there is a little bit change in your code of your CSS. In your portlet, you have to add this word dot sign in. So I'm going to the browser in which I have done admin login. Once again, click and look and feel. Go to advanced styling and change the code of CSS. So now with my name of my portlet, I am giving state as dot sign in and save. And I'm going to my another browser and enter. So you can see your sign in portlet is here, and when I do login with admin test and sign in, so now this portlet has gone from here. So what we have done over here is we have assigned a situation sign in. So whenever a user is doing sign in, the portlet should be invisible, and in the case you are not giving the word sign in, then the portlet will be invisible even if the user has done a sign in or it is without sign in. So I'm again going to the browser of my admin login, and I'm removing this CSS class and again save. And refresh the other browser. So my sign in portlet is again visible. So in this video we have seen how we can hide the sign in page, and we have seen two methods to hide the sign in portlet in Liferay. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.